Hey YouTube, it's your girl Sheena with She Is Fab and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about how I styled my fall coffee station. Yes, I absolutely love fall. It's my favorite season and I love coffee. So since I love coffee, I will also be sharing my bulletproof coffee recipe with you guys. So if you would like to see how I styled my coffee station as well as my bulletproof coffee recipe, stay tuned. But first things first, if you are new here, welcome. My name is Sheena and this is my channel, She Is Fab. And on this platform, I talk about everything that I love: fashion, beauty, travel, lifestyle, and the keto diet. Thank you for clicking on this video and supporting my channel. And at the end of this video, if you want to see more of me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video, guys. Let's talk about my coffee station and where I got everything from and how I styled it, and this my bulletproof coffee recipe. So this is a milk frother. I purchased it from Target. It actually warms and frosts your milk at the same time. I love it. My kids accidentally threw my lid away, but it still works fine. I was using a milk frother from Target, that little gray silver thing in the back there, but it just wasn't doing me justice. And I saw a video of someone using the frother there, and I actually went to Target and I purchased one. So the little pumpkin inside of the cloche, the pumpkin is from Target and the cloche is from Z Gallery, and the cutting board is from Burlington Coat Factory. Everything in this video, guys, is old. I did not purchase anything for my coffee station makeover. My Keurig is one of the larger sizes Keurigs. It holds a lot of water. I don't know the style or the series. I will look it up and link it in the description box. I absolutely love this machine. I use it every single day. It makes up to 12 ounces of coffee or beverage at a time. My cup is from Pier 1. The S is for Superwoman or Sheena. Take your pick. Yeah, I absolutely love that Keurig. The cloche is from the Goodwill, and the pumpkins are from various places: Target, Joann's, Kirkland's, you name it. I collect pumpkins. It's my absolute favorite item to decorate with. Those are actually a salt and pepper shaker. I got those from Pier 1 many years ago, and I just use them as decor. The sign is from Target Dollar Spot, the harvest sign, as well as the little stand that it's on. I got both of those years ago from Target. So yeah, nothing in this video is new, guys. Like I said, I have tons of fall decor, so I just pulled out some decor and I just put this coffee station together. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying so far. I love the color scheme that I came up with. I think it's really pretty. I have been getting away from the grays and the blacks, getting more into neutrals, and even though gray is a neutral, but more lighter colors. I changed some of the furniture in my living room, so I'm just loving the lighter colors these days. I do use that syrup. It's a skinny syrup in my favorite flavor, salted caramel, as well as the instant coffee. I've been using instant coffee lately. I haven't really been using K-Cups. They are quite expensive, and I just haven't found one that I absolutely love. I love the K-Cups from Starbucks, but they are expensive, guys. So yeah, I don't know if my taste buds have kind of switched up or changed on me, but these days I have been loving instant coffee, guys. Yes. So yeah, this is a tour of what I got going on here. And yeah, everything, like I said, I had already. I did not purchase anything new. The little glass jar that the coffee is in, I got that from Ross. And the syrup is also from Burlington. The napkins are from Target Dollar Spot. I got those last year, and I just saved the remainder napkins for this year. And the tray that everything is sitting in is from Kirkland's, and it's old too, guys. So yeah, like I said, I did not purchase anything to do this video. Yeah, as you can tell, I have lots and lots of fall decor. And like I said, I absolutely love pumpkins. It's my favorite thing to decorate my house in. So you will see tons of pumpkins coming up for the fall. So, are you guys ready for me to make this bulletproof coffee? If you guys have had bulletproof coffee before, leave me a comment in the description box and let me know how you like it, where you got your recipe from. Or if you decide to try my recipe, let me know how you like it, guys, because I love bulletproof coffee. I drink it every single day. It gives me so much energy. It is a staple in my ketogenic diet. I have one in the morning, and sometimes I have another one in the evening. So yeah. Okay, so the first step is you have to brew your coffee. I am using instant coffee, and I'm going to brew 10 ounces of water into my instant coffee. This recipe calls for 8 to 10 ounces. I always use 10 ounces because I like big cups of coffee. I absolutely love coffee, guys. And let's just give a shout out to Keurig. I've been using a Keurig now probably for about 7 or 8 years. I remember purchasing my very first Keurig at Macy's. I don't know how long they had been out before I had heard of them or heard of it. I used to use, of course, a coffee pot, but the Keurig, oh my God, is just the best invention, the best. Okay, guys, so the coffee is brewing, and if you guys like bulletproof coffee or have tried bulletproof coffee, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Okay, so the coffee is brewed, and let's go over the ingredients. You'll need butter. I like to use Kerrygold butter. It's just my personal preference. You can use any kind of butter. Cinnamon, MCT oil, and heavy whipping cream. Those are the ingredients that you'll need to make a bomb, okay? Bomb bulletproof coffee. Okay, so you're going to start off by using 2 teaspoons of Kerrygold butter. That butter is calibrated, the little packaging, so I knew exactly how much to get off. Or how much to break off or cut off, however you want to say it. I'm opening the top on the MCT oil. So the MCT oil for 1 serving is 1 tablespoon, and I was using a teaspoon. So I'm going to use 3 teaspoons, which will equal 1 tablespoon. So 1, 2, 3. So I'm mixing it up. Okay. The coffee's still warm, so the butter and the oils will settle in real nicely. Okay, so now it's time to froth my heavy whipping cream, and I don't measure my heavy whipping cream. However, there is a calibrated little area inside of the frother. I pour enough heavy whipping cream to the very first line at the bottom. So I don't use like 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon. I just pour it until I get to that little line. And now I'm just putting it on the little machine so that it can start to warm and to froth. Okay. So yeah, if you guys try my recipe, I really want you guys to leave me a comment. Or if you make bulletproof coffee, if you make it differently than the way that I make it, go ahead and leave me a comment, guys. I would love to hear how you make your bulletproof coffee, because I'm sure, it's a very basic recipe, but I'm sure people tweak it in different ways. Okay, so I am stirring or mixing in the oils and the butters. I'm going to go ahead and add my Skinny Girl syrup. This is my sweetener. It is in the flavor salted caramel, and I just do 1 teaspoon. And yeah, So now I'm going to add my warm froth heavy whipping cream. And this is the best part, guys. Let me tell you, I will link that frother at the bottom and in the description box. That is the best invention. And I'm just adding cinnamon just to be fancy. So yeah, guys, that is how I make my bulletproof coffee. I am dancing. Now that I am done dancing, I want to thank you guys for watching my video. And if you've made it this far, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would really, really appreciate it. Go ahead and like this video and share it. And then head over to my best friend's channel, Several People's Mama. She is also doing a tour of her fall coffee station, as well as Raising Five with Jessica. She is also doing a coffee station. Both of those are my sisters by another mister, and Ricki Nicole is my best friend. I love her to death. So once again, thank you guys so much. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And have a wonderful day. Bye.